In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable waiting room in Zoom. If you want a simple way to control who enters your meeting and when they're allowed in, the waiting room feature is a great option. It gives you an extra layer of privacy and helps prevent participants from joining before you're ready. Let's walk through how to turn it on directly from your Zoom account settings. To begin, go to the Zoom homepage in your web browser. Make sure you're on the official Zoom website and that you're signed into the account where you want to change the meeting settings. This is important because waiting room settings are managed through your online account, not just from inside a meeting window. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look for the My Account option and click on it. This will take you into your account area where you can manage your profile, security settings, and meeting preferences. If you don't see the option right away, check the top right area of the page, which is where account controls are typically located. After that, click on Settings. This section is where Zoom stores many of the default options that affect your meetings. If you use Zoom often for work, classes, or client calls, this is a useful area to become familiar with because many important meeting features can be adjusted here. Inside Settings, click on Meeting. The Meeting tab contains a wide range of controls related to how your meetings behave before, during, and after participants join. Depending on your account type, you may see a long list of options, so take your time and stay in the meeting section. Now, find the setting for waiting room and toggle it on. Once the switch is enabled, participants will be placed into the waiting room before entering your meeting, and you can admit them when you're ready. This gives you more control over attendance and can be especially helpful when you want to verify who is joining before the session starts. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. After the setting is turned on, it should apply to your meetings based on your account's configuration. If you manage multiple users or are part of an organization, some settings may be controlled by an admin, so keep that in mind if the toggle appears locked or unavailable. And that's it. You've successfully enabled waiting room in Zoom. It's a quick setting, but it can make your meetings more secure and easier to manage.